Well, here we are under creepy lighting conditions to satisfy YouTube viewer Zachary1337, which I think is pronounced Zachary Elite, like you're elite, Zachary. Very suspicious name, makes me think I could be getting trolled. Oh, dude, get under your car and measure the outer diameter of your sway bar you already installed that I know there's a metal housing around. Well, we're going to learn some things today. For one, the best way to jack up your car. Turns out, all I gotta do is just pour some Red Bulls here in the tank, and pretty soon, man, the car gets all jacked up on its own. So that's sweet. Got the car all jacked up. So one thing I learned, which is where to attach a floor jack to the back of one of these. This thing here actually is it. You know, it looks like it's obviously designed for the purpose, but yet it looks really weak. like you're gonna jack a car? Well, okay. What we're gonna do is figure out the outer diameter of this thing, not by just squeezing it, because that's like, I'm guessing an inch. Also by eyeballing it, I'm guessing an inch. But what we're going to really do is take a piece of paper and measure it for real. Within the tolerance of the thickness of the paper. Is this thing getting more crookeder? And rusty. Huh. So we need some necessary tools. It's going to be a piece of paper and a pen. What we got here is a piece of paper. Vancouver, Washington, American Shaman. CBD American Shaman. Huh, free sample. Ooh, I can help with addiction. It's right on the top of the list. Does that help you get addicted? I know CBD is not addictive, but it's a funny joke. Is moron in here? No. Obesity? Good. I'm ready. I'm ready for my sample. Can you see? Not that well, boss. Alright, hold on. You can see. Real nice, boss. Ow. Oh, now I got dust in my eyes. That was smart. Yes. Flick the thing and look at it. That gives you a condition called ojos sucios, and you don't want it. I know the dust, actually, it's on here, is significant enough to throw the measurements off. But I'll remind you that the thickness of the paper compared to that, it's like, you know, a very similar, like I'm also going around the sticker here. Okay, so I think, by my thinking, if I go like that, oh, oof, try again. Okay, and now, and in color, like that. Alright, so we'll see, it starts and ends here. Between those two dots, that's my length, and we can use pi to figure it out. So diameter, pi r, take base, takes us, takes out, take us, and you get 14. It's 14. Might have to adjust our units. We'll go do some imperial units for our American viewers next. Alright, I'm gonna level with you guys. I got this measuring stick and I got my dots and my pie chart. I'm lining this up within the thickness of the ink, which is another confounding factor, at least as big as the paper, right? Looks like exactly 1, 2, 3. So the 4 minus 1 is 3. And the point is just slightly to the right, like about a tenth, or like 3.14. So I'm gonna guess that actually this thing is 1 inch, right? Is that how the math works? It's pi r squared, and the r in this case is gonna be twice the diameter. So if the diameter is 1 and we square it, it's still 1. And we times it by pi and we get 3. I don't know. That doesn't seem right. That's too easy. How can it be 1? A lot of weird stuff happens around 1. I thought this was going to turn out cool. Oh, I'm starting to worry about the conspiracies now. There's a lot of things that could have... Well, I hope that helps. It's about an inch. Pretty solid measurement. If you're going to be like roughing it in, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Fit just fine. I think I said pi r squared, but it's 2 pi r, right? Which means it's just pi d. Like I have to go pi d to figure out if it's an inch or not.